Nature-inspired wood designs, bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your space. Wood has always been deeply connected to nature, but when crafted with inspiration drawn directly from the natural world, it becomes more than just a material. It transforms into an artistic expression of organic beauty. Nature-inspired wood designs capture the essence of forests, rivers, mountains, and wildlife, infusing living spaces with warmth, tranquility, and a timeless connection to the outdoors. Whether through intricate carvings, flowing organic shapes, or the natural imperfections of raw wood, these designs celebrate the harmony between craftsmanship and the beauty of nature. From rustic log furniture to elegantly sculpted wooden art, nature-inspired woodwork is a tribute to the forms, textures, and movements found in the environment. Whether you're drawn to the rugged charm of raw-edged tables or the delicate precision of botanical carvings, there are endless ways to bring nature into your home through wood. Embracing the natural beauty of wood. One of the most essential aspects of nature-inspired wood design is honoring the raw beauty of the material itself. Instead of hiding knots, cracks, or grain variations, these features are celebrated and incorporated into the design. Live-edge wood, for example, is a popular choice for tables, shelves, and headboards because it maintains the natural flowing edge of the tree, preserving its organic form. Another approach is the use of reclaimed wood, which carries with it the marks of time, weathered textures, rich patinas, and natural imperfections that add character to a space. Whether sourced from old barns, fallen trees, or driftwood, reclaimed wood brings history and sustainability into the design, reinforcing a connection with the environment. Burnt wood techniques, such as the Japanese shosugi-ban method, also enhance the natural texture of wood while adding durability. The charred surface creates a striking contrast, mimicking the look of volcanic rock or aged bark, giving the wood an elemental, almost sculptural quality. Organic forms and flowing lines in woodwork. Nature is rarely defined by straight lines and sharp edges, and nature-inspired wood designs often reflect that. Curved, flowing forms inspired by water, wind, and tree growth create furniture and decor that feel as if they have grown naturally into their shape. For example, tables or benches with fluid, wave-like edges mimic the patterns of rivers and ocean currents. Wooden chairs with sculpted root-like legs create the illusion of being naturally formed rather than man-made. Even shelving can take on organic forms, twisting and curving like the branches of a tree rather than adhering to rigid geometric designs. Carved wooden pieces featuring flowing leaf patterns, swirling vines, or rippling textures enhance the organic feel of a space, bringing in the rhythmic, calming elements of nature. These designs work beautifully in both rustic and modern interiors, adding movement and life to what might otherwise be a static, structured environment. Woodland-inspired carvings and sculptures. Intricate hand-carved wooden elements are another stunning way to incorporate nature into wood design. Whether in the form of delicate floral patterns, lifelike animal sculptures, or entire woodland scenes carved into furniture, these details transform ordinary wood into a canvas for artistic storytelling. Tree-inspired carvings, such as branches, leaves, or roots, create a sense of being surrounded by nature even indoors. Some artists take this concept even further by carving entire miniature forests into wooden panels or tabletops, creating breathtaking landscapes frozen in time. Animal-themed wooden carvings, such as soaring birds, majestic deer, or playful foxes, bring the spirit of the wild into a space. Whether incorporated into furniture, wall decor, or standalone sculptures, these designs celebrate the rich biodiversity of nature and create a sense of connection with the animal kingdom. Some artists also craft highly detailed relief carvings, where different layers of wood create a 3D effect. These pieces can depict anything from rolling mountains and cascading waterfalls to dense jungles and serene lakes, turning wood into an immersive, tactile work of art. Tree-inspired furniture and structural elements. Few things represent the power and beauty of nature more than trees, and tree-inspired woodwork takes that inspiration to new heights. Some of the most striking nature-inspired wooden designs include tables and chairs supported by root-like bases, bed frames designed to resemble intertwining branches, and entire rooms featuring carved wooden columns that mimic the trunks of ancient trees. Tree trunk coffee tables, for example, preserve the raw shape of the tree while providing a functional and artistic centerpiece for a living room. Some designs even leave the bark intact, enhancing the organic appeal of the piece. Wooden headboards crafted to resemble the silhouette of a forest at sunset, or carved wall panels showcasing intertwined tree roots, create a dramatic yet calming atmosphere in any space. Some designs even integrate lighting, with soft LED lights placed behind carved wooden panels to simulate the dappled sunlight filtering through a forest canopy. Water-inspired wooden designs. Wood might be an earthy material, but it can also be shaped to reflect the flowing, fluid nature of water. Rippled wood textures, curved furniture pieces that mimic the movement of waves, and resin-inlaid designs that resemble lakes and rivers all add an element of water's serenity to a space. One of the most popular techniques for water-inspired wooden art is the combination of wood and resin. Artists often use clear or tinted resin to create realistic river-like designs within tables, countertops, or decorative panels. The swirling blues and greens mimic real water, while the wooden sections resemble land masses, creating a stunning balance between solid and liquid elements. Water-inspired carvings also bring this theme into woodwork. Chiseling patterns that resemble rain droplets, waves crashing on the shore, or the spiraling motion of whirlpools adds a dynamic quality to furniture and decor. Integrating wood with natural materials. Another key element of nature-inspired wooden design is blending wood with other organic materials. This creates a multi-textured, layered effect that enhances the overall feel of a space. For instance, pairing wood with stone elements, such as embedding smooth river stones into a wooden tabletop or creating a headboard with wooden and slate accents, adds contrast and depth. Mixing wood with woven fibers such as rattan, bamboo, or seagrass enhances the natural aesthetic, making furniture and decor feel even more connected to the earth. Even metal can be used to enhance nature-inspired wood designs, especially when shaped into delicate leaf-like filigree or vine-like patterns. Copper or brass accents can resemble tree branches, while wrought iron details can mimic the twisting forms of roots or vines. A timeless connection to nature. Nature-inspired wood designs go beyond simple decoration. They represent a way of living in harmony with the natural world. Every curve, grain, and texture in wood tells a story, echoing the beauty of untouched landscapes. Whether it's through raw, unrefined wood, intricate hand carvings, or fluid organic shapes, these designs bring a sense of calm and connection to our interior spaces. They blur the boundary between the indoors and the outdoors, transforming a home into a peaceful sanctuary where nature's presence can always be felt. One of the most captivating aspects of nature-inspired woodwork is its ability to mirror the beauty of forests, rivers, and wildlife. A live-edge wooden dining table preserves the raw beauty of the tree it came from, allowing its unique shape and grain patterns to remain visible and untouched. Sculptural wooden furniture, mimicking the gentle flow of water or the rugged texture of bark, brings an organic and artistic quality into a space. Even something as simple as wooden wall art featuring delicately carved leaves, mountains, or tree silhouettes can make a room feel more grounded and connected to nature. Choosing wood designs inspired by nature isn't just about aesthetics. It's about cultivating a deeper appreciation for the natural world. When we surround ourselves with decor that reflects the beauty of landscapes, we develop a stronger connection to the environment. A hand-carved woodland scene on a headboard, a flowing wave-inspired coffee table, or a wooden pendant light shaped like a blooming flower all serve as daily reminders of the artistry found in nature itself. Beyond beauty, nature-inspired wood designs contribute to a sense of well-being. Studies have shown that natural materials, especially wood, can create a more relaxing and inviting atmosphere. The warmth of wooden textures, the soft variations in color, and the unique imperfections of natural woodwork all help to reduce stress and promote a feeling of comfort. In a world that often feels fast-paced and overwhelming, incorporating wooden elements into our spaces allows us to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with nature, even if we're indoors. Conclusion: bringing nature home. Incorporating nature-inspired woodwork into a home or workspace is more than just a design choice. It's a way to create an environment that nurtures creativity, relaxation, and balance. Whether it's a carefully sculpted wooden chair, a bookshelf designed to resemble tree branches, or handcrafted wooden decor that mimics the softness of waves, these pieces bring an undeniable sense of peace. Through the intricate grains of wood, the fluidity of organic forms, and the fine details that echo the wilderness, nature-inspired wooden designs make every space feel like a serene retreat. They remind us of the Earth's timeless artistry and invite us to embrace a lifestyle that values craftsmanship, sustainability, and a deep appreciation for the world around us.